Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will tell you guys that how this week is the best week in the crypto market, as everything is pumping incessantly towards the upside. Big green candles are forming right now, and how me and you guys also made a good amount of money, guys obviously who followed my trades but also did their own analysis and learned something from it, and why 99% traders or investors still lose money in this bull market. I will discuss all of that in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. Looking at the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, after this consolidation for few days, the price of Bitcoin incessant pump towards the upside, continuous pump, you can clearly see right here. And I told you all that this level is a very important level for the price of Bitcoin at 57.8 to all the way up to $60,000. The price, I mean, literally just did a breakout of it without even any hesitation or without any retest also. And this all move happened yesterday night, so everyone was expecting a all-time high of Bitcoin before the halving, and I already discussed in my previous video that why this is a very bad indication for the price of Bitcoin in the future, pumping straight high and high and high, breaking all-time high or coming near to the all-time high before the halving also. This is a very bad thing, so I already discussed that in my previous video. You can watch that, link is in the description and in the comments also. So right now you can clearly see, after this huge pump, like this huge pump, everyone was going long, everyone was like in a degen mode or gambling, everyone was taking 100x long on Bitcoin. And obviously the funding rate was sliding towards one side only, and that is the bullish side. So what happened was, here long squeeze happened, that is the price did a significant drop towards the downside, taking all the 100x leverage long greedy traders out of this trade right here. And that's how 99% people lose their money. And if not this way, I will tell you that how these people lose their money. It's all because of greed. If you survive this move also, because this move was a very shocking move, I will tell you in my later on in the video that this is a small move. You can clearly see the price of Bitcoin went all the way up till 64 and now it is here. Not much move, right? But it affected a lot and lot of altcoins, and I will share how, so stay tuned. So the people who survived this move still are in greediness only, because you can clearly just think with the perspective of retail traders. Any trader who will come in for the first time and will see these continuous candles towards the upside, you can clearly see these continuous candles, he will be in greediness. Talking about my trade update, so this is Dogecoin trade right here, and as you all know that my first take profit was here at 0.09608. It got hit perfectly, and my second take profit was all the way up till here, and it also got hit, and I completed my trade full successfully. But that was a mistake, because I should have tried to hold my trade as much as I can. That's what I wanted to do, but in greediness, or I can say in some FOMO, I've closed all my trade here, but still I managed to book like thousands of dollars in profits right here. Same is with the Litecoin trade also, you can clearly see right here, perfect target hit here at 79.45, and my next target, which was the all-time high, recent all-time high, top of the downtrend, which is at approx, I would say, 78 and $79 level right here, perfect target hit. Also Sand USD, see, this is what I'm talking about. Sand USD target also got hit perfectly. But what happened, what, look at this candle right here. Yesterday's candle went all the way down till 0.48 and then reversing back up. So as a professional trader and as a smart trader, what I will be doing is I will be trailing my stop loss, because no one knows the future, what will happen or what will not happen. So what I can do is that I can just start trailing my stop loss, right? I mean, yesterday when the price was somewhat over here, I was trailing my stop loss till here. That means if the price comes all the way down till 0.53, my stop loss will get hit and I will book a good amount of profits, or else the price will just move towards the upside. And the same thing happened. The price did manage to come here at 0.53 and my stop loss got hit, but a profitable stop loss got hit right here, and me and my subscribers did manage to make a good amount of money in all of these trades. And that's how smartly you have to trade, not like the 99% people, because I know like 70-80% people got wrecked yesterday in this big wick doji candle right here. They got wrecked easily. I mean, I'm sure they got all wrecked right here. You can see all the way down till here, and this was supposed to happen. This move came to liquidate all of those people only, but I survived and we all survived this move and booked a good amount of profit. The Shiba Inu chart, and as you all know, I waited for the price of Shiba Inu to break this important level of resistance, because I knew that if the price of Shiba Inu breaks this important level of resistance, then it can pump towards the upside easily. Easy target was this 0.011, and as you can clearly see, exactly the price of Shiba Inu came to my purple level of resistance, and now it is respecting it from 0.0135 all the way down till 0.0129. You can clearly see how it is reacting it perfectly. Well, I entered in this trade over here and I booked all the way up profits till here also, a good amount of profits on Shiba Inu also. And yeah, you can clearly see yesterday's daily candle. You can see the impact right here also, how this wick came all the way down till here and then towards the upside, but I was trailing my stop loss at somewhat over here or here, so I managed to get out in the trade way early and booking a good amount of profit. Same is with the XLM Stellar's chart also. So what exactly happened was, my target was here at 0.1287, but as you all know that when the trade goes in favor of you, it's better to trail your stop loss. So from here, this was my initial stop loss. I replaced my stop loss till here at 0.1203. So you can clearly see same happening, long squeeze taking all the gamblers out. You can clearly see right here, this dump came all the way down till here and then reversing up. Well, I exited over here at 0.1203 and making a good amount of profits in Stellar. And yes, all my trade is out on Stellar and every other altcoin also. Okay, so guys, these were all my trade updates, how they went and how to take trade efficiently, how to trail your stop loss whenever it is necessary, and how to get avoided coming in the 99% of those traders. We have to come in the top 1% and make money in any market, bear market, bull market, sideways market. It depends on that, because in bull market everyone can make money, but the most important question is that can you keep that money with you, or you will lose it in the future. That's the most important thing right here. So I hope you all made some good money. Congratulations, and I hope you learned something. Very importantly, you learned something from it and did your own analysis as well. So now the main question is that, is it the right time to enter in any long position in any of the crypto again, Bitcoin or any other altcoin? So let me first go to the charts. Coming back again to the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and right now, is it the best time to enter? Because you can clearly see, just I am recording this video in just 10 minutes, the price, you can clearly see in the beginning of the video, this was a red candle and now it has turned to green. That means the price is pumping right now also very continuously. Well, is it the right time to enter or not? I would suggest not to enter. I mean, if you can buy Bitcoin right now, like spot buying, then you can do that, because I mean, that's not much risky. But trading right now Bitcoin with a decent amount of leverage is also not recommended by me, because the price can go anywhere from here. Maybe it can go to a new all-time high, maybe it can dump also, so it's risky right now. And also it is between my levels. You can clearly see one zone is here and second zone is here, so I will wait for the price either to show some kind of a reversal or a continuation coming to my any of my zone, either the upside zone or the downside zone. Then only I will trade accordingly, or else I won't take a trade in middle. And same is with the other altcoins as well. As you can clearly see, Dogecoin price is pumping right now. Taking a trade, see, I will tell you an important concept. You always have to buy the dip and sell on the high. buy low, sell high. That's what you have to do. You have to capture the whole move. You can clearly see I entered over here at the exact bottom of the Dogecoin, recent bottom right here at the low, and then I captured the move. Right, I did not entered over here or no. I entered at the bottom and then captured move. Same thing I did with other cryptos as well. So it's better to trade like this only, because even if you take a trade right here and the price of Dogecoin like goes incessant like god candles, still what will happen? You will get greedy in the future, and you will see that okay, in the future I will do like this more and more. And same is with the other altcoins also, that they are not on any level right now, my important level, and also they are not forming any other candle like red candle or any doji candle. Every altcoin is just pumping like green candles. So taking a trade right now, I don't think so it is a very good decision. I will wait for the either the price to come at my level and then show some kind of a indication, or I will see candlestick psychologies in the future to take a trade. Twitter, because if in future I take any trade, I will first inform you guys on my Twitter. You can clearly see on my Twitter how and every trade I was there, that if for example Dogecoin, if I was trading my stop loss, I informed you guys on the spot like this. So because in video I may be late in making a video and it takes time, but making a tweet is not, I may say, much time taking. And yes, I inform you guys on my Twitter on the spot, every trade, every logic behind it, what's happening in my trade, every update right there I inform you guys on my Twitter. So do follow me on my Twitter. You can check the back history for any proof if you want. So yeah, this is it. And if you want to trade Bitcoin or any other crypto right now, Bybit is the exchange that I use personally, and I would recommend to use that only for you guys. So if you want to create an account on Bybit, you can do that for free. Link is in the description and in the comments. You can get up to $30,000 deposit gift. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you learned something. I hope you understand, and just practice trading and don't come in the 99% gap. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.